Manus is an AI tool designed to independently carry out complex tasks without continuous human guidance. So if you're looking to connect it with your CRM, this integration allows you to trigger workflows based on Manus task activity and perform task operations. Let's learn how to use it. Head to the Integration section inside your subaccount settings and click Connect under Manus. Inside your Manus account settings, create and copy an API key for your CRM. Paste the API key, then click Save. Inside your workflows, look for Manus AI in the Apps section of your triggers or actions. This update allows you to integrate existing Manus processes into the system, allowing for easier management with follow-up prompts, metadata, and parameter modifications, reactions for task lifecycle events, and more. Make the most out of your existing Manus automation and improve your bot without manual intervention, using the CRM as a guidance tool. We hope you enjoy it.